Welcome back to another weekly recipe. This is Sadia Bobere and you're watching Adrenaline in My Mind. After collecting ideas for this week's recipe, I finally settled on this one. This recipe takes literally 5 minutes to make. I have tried almost all the instant noodles available in the market, and trust me, nothing can beat Maggi. But this recipe is not going to be the regular one that you make. I'm going to add a twist to the recipe by experimenting with some cheese. In fact, a lot of cheese. This recipe is just incomplete without loads of cheese. But make sure you're not using mozzarella cheese because you don't want the sauce to become sticky at this point. Let's bring it to a boil, and there we go. I'm gonna add loads of herbs, as usual. You can seriously skip the vegetables. I just feel they bring more color to the dish. So I'm adding sliced bell peppers. Maggi's instant noodles are my favorite so far, so that's what we're gonna use. Just a dash of water because I don't want my Maggi to be like super dry. Now let it sit in there for exactly 2 minutes. Time to add the magic taste maker. I seriously feel that they should add 2 packets of this in every single packet of noodles because why not? I told you I like my Maggi a little soggy, so there goes in a little more water. Time to plate our Maggi. And I have no idea why I always drop something or the other out. Also, if you're not subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn the bell icon on. And don't forget to like this video and let me know in the comments below if you want any other recipes. Don't forget to top your Maggi with more cheese. This recipe takes literally 5 minutes to make. That's it for today. See you next week. I love you guys.